Okay, for pulleys, you are not measuring gear ratio. In case you did gears first, you are doing mechanical advantage. There's directions above these videos that tell you in numbers how that formula works. You just need to know that you have this information printed in the directions. It gives you the inside diameter of these gray wheels and some of the yellow ones that you will be using later. You get the diameter of those, so you do not need to measure those. So I will not be showing you the measurements because you are getting the answers for that. You just have to plug it in and divide and give me the answer, the mechanical advantage. Okay, so this is pulley 1. Okay, you can see that they are using both large gray gears. For pulleys, remember, only things touching the yellow belt are pulley wheels. This is your output pointer. It is never a pulley wheel. This is the handle. This is never a pulley wheel. And this is just something that holds the pieces on. Also not a pulley wheel. Only things that are physically touching this yellow band are pulley wheels. So make sure you label your drive and driven. And we're going to turn the handle and show you what happens. Okay. P1.